Okay, in this exercise, we are going to take a few more questions, which is 5, 6, 7, and 8. And in this video, we are going to take 4 questions because all these 4 questions are very much similar. But if you try to solve all these 4 questions, you will be perfect in understanding the algebraic equation and how to solve using factorization method. Let's move this screen upward and we are going to take the first question, which is question number 5. What is that? P square minus 2p minus 35. And how we are going to solve is we have to take the 35 and what is coefficient of p square is 1. So 35 into 1 is again 35. But if we subtract or add, we have to get minus 2p. Now you have to remember the table for the 7 and 5. It is very easy. 7 into 5 is going to be 35, and if you subtract 7 minus 5, you are going to get 2. But can you see in the question it is minus 2, but what we are getting is plus. So what we can do is, since the bigger number is having the plus sign, that's why the result is 2. What we are going to do is, instead of 7 minus 5, we'll say minus 7 plus 5. Now we have to take the symbol of the bigger number, which is minus, and we have to subtract 7 with 5, which is 2. That's how you can add or the subtract the numbers. We have to keep in mind that the sign of a bigger number as a result. So how we can going to replace 2p is minus 7p plus 5p. Let's go back to the question. P square minus 2p, I'm going to say 7p plus 5p. Okay, minus 7p plus 5p minus 35. Now what is common between these two numbers is, it is very easy. Here you can say p. So I'm not going to write divide by p, because in the earlier example we have seen how we can take the common factor outside. Okay, let's say this is p. 1p is gone, so just 1p is left. P divided by p is 1, so I'm going to write just 7. Now what is common between these two numbers is 5. But is it plus 5 or minus 5? We can say, we have to keep in mind that we have to get the result in this format. So we are going to take plus 5. So plus 5 is gone, just p is remaining, which is plus p, and the minus sign as it is. 35 divided by 5 is going to be 7. So we can see these two bracket is having the same values, p minus 7 and p minus 7. So we have to take p minus 7 one time, and we have to take p plus 5 the remaining. So this is going to be your answer. Now quickly we will jump to the next question, which is question number 6. What is question number 6 is p square minus 7p plus 44. How we can divide the 44 is, it is very easy. 44, it comes under 11 table. 11 into 4 is 44, and we have to subtract 11 minus 4 is 7. Okay, but we have to get minus, so I'm going to take minus as bigger number, and this is going to be minus 7. How we can write p square minus 7p is, p square as it is minus 7p, I will say 11p plus 4p plus 44. That's how we can write. Now out of these numbers, I'm going to take 1p as common, which is p. P square divided by p is going to be p minus 1p is gone, 11. Now can you see the common factor between 4 and 44? We have replaced the 44, but in the actual question it was given minus. So let's delete this one, and I'm going to write minus, so that I have to say this is going to be a minus. Okay, and now we are going back to the actual question. What is common between 4 and 44 is just plus 4. Now 4p divided by 4 is going to be just p minus 44 divided by 4 is 11. How I was able to detect we have written the wrong question is because if we compare this one, I was not getting the same p minus 11 here because it was having the plus sign. So p minus 11, p plus 11 is no more going to work. That's the reason I was thinking, okay, what was wrong in the question? Then I was by mistake written plus here. That's the reason I was able to detect. Then I replace minus so that I can get the same value which is there in the first bracket. Now we have to take p minus 11 one time and this p plus 4 in the next bracket. Now this is going to be your answer. Now quickly jump on the next question, which is question number 7. Now what is question number 7 is m square minus 23m plus 120. Now we have to take 120 as the number because it is having just 1. Now we have to split 120 with two numbers in such a way that I should get 23. How we can replace is, we knows, okay, 12 comes under the table of 3 or 4. So we can say 3 into 40. Can we say? Because 4 3s are 12 and this 0 is as it is. But if we subtract 40 with 3, can I get the number? No. What we are going to do is, instead of 40 into 3, I'm going to replace this 4 as it is, but I'm going to shift this 3 to 30. Can I say? Yes, I'm just moving the 0 from here to here. So it should be like 30. So instead of here 0, I just push the 3 into 30 and instead of 40, I'm writing the 4. But we are getting the same result as 120 if we multiply. But if we subtract, can I get 23? Still no. Then how we can see is, let's say I'm going to split 30. Okay, 15 into 2. Can I say? Yes, it is as 30 in 30 numbers, which is 15 into 2. Now 4 as it is. But what I'm going to take is these two numbers. First number is 15 and 4 to the 8. Can I get the center number? Yes, now it is possible. 15 plus 8 is going to be 23. Okay, 15 plus 8. But it is going to be plus 23. What we are looking is minus 23. How we can get is minus 15 minus 8, it is going to be minus 23. And how it is going to work is, if both the symbol on the number is minus, then we have to keep the minus symbol as it is and we have to add these two numbers so that the result should be the same. This is 23. Okay, now go back to the question and we will try to solve the questions. Let's say this is going to be m square minus 23. I'm going to write minus 15m minus 8m plus 120 as it is. So we have to take the common between these two numbers, which is m. One m is gone, so m minus this m is divided by m is going to be 1 minus 15 as it is. Now since I required plus m, so I'm going, but here it is minus 8m, so I'm going to take minus as common and 8. So minus is minus gone, then I'm going to get the plus sign here, which is here plus sign. Okay, now what is remaining? M. So 120 divided by 8 is 15. Same result like this, m minus 15, m minus 15. That's the reason we have taken minus symbol here as outside. If we multiply minus with minus, again I'm going to get the plus sign. Now we have to take m minus 15 one time, which is one parenthesis, and this is m minus 8. So this is going to be your answer. Now let's jump on the next question, which is question number 8. What is question number 8? M square minus 25m plus 100. I hope this is very simple question because 100 everyone knows. Okay, 100 comes in the table 10 into 10, but we are not getting 25. So how we can split is 5 into 2, which is 10, and now this 10 as it is remaining. Now I'm going to take this 5 and this two products. 5 as it is, 10 into 2 is 20. Now can you see, if we add these two numbers we are going to get 25, but keep in mind that we have to get minus, so minus 5 minus 20 is going to be minus 25. Now replace 25 from the question. M square minus 25, I'm going to write minus 5m minus 20m plus 100. What is common between these two variables? It is just m. So 1m is gone, 1m is remaining, then this m by m is 1, so I'm going to write 5. Here I can say minus symbol is there, so I'm going to take minus 20 as common. So minus minus is plus, then I'm writing m. Now this is plus symbol, so minus into minus is plus. 100 divided by 20 is 5. These two are same, that means we are going to get the result m minus 5 one time, and this m minus 20 is the remaining, which is our answer. I hope with these 4 questions you got an idea how we can solve a algebraic equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. In the next video we are going to take few more questions which is similar but having the coefficient of power 2, and all those 4 questions we are going to solve in the next video.